Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be removing the painted desert nail tips using a lever nail polish gel remover. Here we go. This is the box. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. A lever, and it's got instructions on the back. Easy to read, easy to follow. So we'll just get this stuff open. Now, this is for just removing polish, gel polish. But I have on these gel tips, and we're just going to give it a go. You can see how super thick it is. And the instructions recommend that you file off the top coat. You know, get it started, and so that it can penetrate down into that. And I am just going around all of my nails. I'm only going to show me doing a little bit, but I end up doing all of them. And I will tell you on the get-go, a lot of people don't like these types of products. They think they're caustic. And I will tell you, you do not want to get this stuff on your skin. Be very careful. So here we go. I've already started on the other nails, and I'm just going to apply a layer. Don't be stingy. Apply a good layer of it, like I said, without getting it on your skin. You do not want this stuff touching no skin, because it will burn. It didn't leave a blister or sore or anything, but I will tell you, don't do that. And then set your timer for 5 minutes. Here we go. 5 minutes passed. Quick, huh? I'm using my little tool, and I am not digging down into this. I'm not forcing this today. I am, and that stuff gets all goopy, so I'm using my paper towel to clean it up. I am not scraping down. I am very lightly going over this. I know it looks crazy. It has been sped up a little bit, so it makes it look a little more forceful than it really was. So after that, I am going to apply another coat. And some people are probably thinking, well, this is just crazy. You know, you could just use a remover or whatever, file them off. I'm scared of my e-file, y'all. I'm just going to be honest with you. Every time I've done it, I have chewed up my cuticles and stuff, so I'm not there yet. I'm not ready. But this right here, I wanted to try it, an alternative. And I have to say, in the end, pretty happy with it. So we're going to set that timer again, 5 minutes. And there we go. Bing, 5 minutes done. And look at that. You can tell by my other nails that this second round of this is getting the whole gel tip off of my fingers. Now, I can't remember how I had these put on. If it was the Cocoa and Claire base coat, or I think it was. So I was going to try to do the peel off, but I didn't. No, I don't know what's on underneath there, y'all. I'll be honest. So I've got just a little bit more, and I'm not forcing it. I'm telling y'all, I'm being very gentle with this, and I am just going to let this stuff do its thing. All right, going to come back in with my tool. I didn't wait 5 full minutes on this one. This one, I just kind of let it sit there for a few more minutes, maybe a couple minutes. I don't know. Because I knew it was loose. I just didn't want to be being forceful. And you can see that came off really, really well. I'm just going around trying to get any residuals up. I'm going to go wash my hands. So I've washed my hands, and this is what they look like after removal. There was no damage at all. I've still got little bits and pieces here and there I'm still getting up. Now that nail has damage on it, but it wasn't from this. It was part of the reason why my nails are so short. And I'm just using Woody as a cuticle cleaner real quick. But this is my final picture. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.